What's going on? Today I'm reviewing a new specialization or professional certificate published in Coursera and um, issued by IBM. The specialization name is IBM Data Analyst. This specialization or this professional certificate path helps you tremendously in your career or if you are planning to start a data analyst career. So basically, the course, or I don't know why I keep saying course, the specialization or the path consists of 9 courses, as you can see. So in this video, I'm not going to be reviewing everything as I have not yet completed everything. So I cannot just give you a clear view on how the specialization um, turned out for me. But I'm going to talk about the first 2 courses. I'm going to give them a review now. And as I progress more, I'm going to publish later videos down the road. So to start with, as you can see, the specialization consists of 9 courses. First, I have intro. Second, we have Excel basics for data analysis, which we will discuss now. Third, we have data visualization and dashboards with Excel and Cognos. Fourth, we have Python for data science, artificial intelligence, and development. I expect this course to be very exciting as you will be learning about Python and its different applications in data science. The fifth is projects. We'll apply your knowledge learned in this course and build a project for data science. And then the part that is most important in any data analyst career, which is databases and SQL. So if you work as a data analyst or if you're just getting started, you know that part of your job is to analyze data exist in database or stored in databases. So for that, you will use SQL and Python, which we will learn in this course. Seventh is data analysis with Python. You will build on the fourth and fifth courses. Eighth, visualization with Python. You know that as a data analyst, you will analyze data and visualize it. Ninth is capstone project. Okay, so let's talk about Excel basics for data analysis. Now, in this course, or in this course. So basically, in this course, you will learn various techniques, tricks, tips, methodologies to use Excel to clean out data, filter data, remove duplicate data, and handle data. As a data analyst, you will have to tackle and deal with data before you analyze it. So in this course, you will use Excel to just deal with data, clean it out, sort it, filter it, um, whatever you name it, to make it ready for analysis. So you can see for week 1, for example. Week 1, you will learn the basics of Excel, shortcuts. Week 2, as you can see, formulas, copying, formatting cells, basic Excel. If you know about Excel, you will be good for the first 2 weeks. The third week, as you can see, is data quality. And here you will get started to learn how to clean data and get it ready for analysis. So cleaning data is part of any data analysis procedure. So you have to clean data, make it ready for analysis. So in this video or this course, in this week, week 3, you will learn how to do that with Excel. Week 4 is using pivot tables and functions. It is not thorough. As you can see, week for everything you know about Excel functions. There are many functions, but this will get you ready in most common functions used in Excel. Week 5 is about an assignment. In the assignment, you'll be given 2 files. You will clean data and analyze it and submit your assignment. So basically, to pass the course, you have to pass all the graded quizzes and the final assignment. So basically, the quizzes are easy to pass. You just have to get yourself familiar with the videos, follow up the videos, and take your notes. And of course, the assignment, also, my notes is, as you can see, in every week, you will have summary. It is important or vitally important to read the summary. Okay, so just to align the points in the correct order in your mind. And in every week, you will have hands-on lab where you will be given Excel file to apply the knowledge you have just learned in the past videos or the videos that precede the lab. So yes, that's for Excel basics for data analysis. Of course, the preceding course is intro. In the intro, you will learn the you'll learn if the data analysis career is right for you. So basically, you will learn different aspects of data analytics, cleaning data, sorting, triaging data, the difference between analyzing and visualizing. So it's typical intro course. If you just don't know what is data analysis, how it works, what you are supposed to do if you become a data analyst, it's very recommended to start this course before you go on with the rest of the courses. So lastly, I'm going to publish the review on my website, and of course, I'm going to include the notes taken for this course, Excel Analytics. As you can see, for every idea I have learned that I deem important or I didn't know before, as you can see, I just summarized the points, how to do um, for every question that pops in your mind, how to do it. And of course, they are categorized or not categorized, ordered based on with every star you will have, an idea to work with. For example, insert a conditional function IFS, how to use it, and an example. I will put out these notes in my website as well. So, and stay tuned, I will be reviewing the other courses as I complete them down the road. So that was for this video, and see you the next one.